Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Hexaware off campus is hiring freshers. So the job role for that is software engineer. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title, it is software engineer, and the experience needed for the job role, it is for freshers, and the salary or the CTC, it is 4 lakhs per annum, and the job location or the work location, it is Bangalore or Chennai or Mumbai or any other Hexaware job locations. So these are the different job locations. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the graduation is B or BTech or MCA graduates are eligible to apply, and ME or MTech they are not eligible to apply, and the year of passing, it should be 2021, and the streams of the specialization, it is either computer science, IT, ECE, triple E, ETC, EIE as well as ICE. So mechanical as well as civil allied branches, they are not eligible to apply for the job role, and the percentage criteria, it should be 60% or 6.0 CGPA throughout, that is in 10th, 12th as well as in graduation, and there should be no active backlogs, and 1 year of education gap is considered. So this is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the next thing is the salary structure in detail. So the salary of the CTC, it is 4 lakhs per annum. So that too after completion of the training. So during training, so you'll be given a stipend of 15,000 per month. So the training will be for 6 months. So post completion of training, your salary of the CTC, it is 4 lakhs per annum, and the service agreement for the job role, it is for 2 years, and initial accommodation for 7 days will be provided, and also the date of joining or date of onboarding, it is in the December 2021 itself. So the next thing is the technical skills that are needed for the job role. You need to have deep knowledge in any of the programming languages, and also knowledge of program design and various development procedures, and also you need to participate in software development lifecycle, and also gather the requirement for the deployment of the product, and also you need to design, develop and troubleshoot the moderate to complex software applications, and also you need to involve in development testing, as well as you need to provide the support for the existing as well as new software applications, and provide the solutions for that. So this is the complete technical skills that are needed for the job role. So the next thing is the soft skills that are needed for the job role. You need to have good communication skills, that to fluent in spoken as well as written English, and also team player as well as interpersonal relationship abilities, and also right attitude and ability to thrive in a fast-paced environment, and also should be able to do multitasking, and also ability to prioritize and manage the project related activities, and also you should be open to work, reliability as well as punctuality as well as flexibility at given task. So this is the total soft skills that are needed for the job role. So then coming to the application link, it is through Superset. So the first thing is you need to enter your email. If you have the like details regarding registration, so if you already have the account with Superset, you can log in with your email as well as password, and you need to complete the profile. So the it takes lot time to complete the registration, so it has lot details like first step is you need to enter your personal details, your education details, then your certifications, everything, your internship details, your experience, everything. So take time and complete the profile completely 100%, and you can submit the application form. So based on your profile, they're going to shortlist and send you the link for the test. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.